Welcome back to another Dultmeier short. Today, we'll summarize an article from the most recent Successful Farming: Cover Crops Under the Microscope. Cover crops have emerged as a significant tool in sustainable agriculture, enhancing soil health and offering various benefits to cropping systems. This recognition is a result of over 40 years of research, notably by figures such as Gary Lesoing from the University of Nebraska. Initially, the focus was on understanding how cover crops affect soil erosion and plant available nitrogen. Over time, it became evident that these crops offer much more, including improved yields, reduced need for chemical inputs, enhanced water infiltration, soil erosion resistance, weed suppression, and nutrient cycling. Combining cover crops with no-till farming amplifies soil health benefits. This synergy promotes the recycling of nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, particularly when livestock grazes on these crops, integrating livestock manure back into the soil. For successful cover crop integration, the sowing emphasizes the importance of planning and setting clear goals, which dictate the choice of species or mixtures. Cover crops serve diverse functions: fixing nitrogen, alleviating soil compaction, increasing organic matter, and providing grazing opportunities. The selection of cover crop species is strategic, with each plant family bringing unique advantages. Grasses, for instance, produce a high residue that shelters the soil surface. Legumes are known for their nitrogen fixing abilities, while brassicas target soil compaction and assist in nitrogen scavenging. Among various species, cereal rye stands out in Nebraska for its winter hardiness, pesticide tolerance, and soil biology stimulation, offering a cost-effective option with multiple soil benefits. Economic considerations are also crucial, as evidenced by a 2022 survey which found cereal rice seed to be significantly cheaper than mixed species cover crop seeds. While cereal rye yields less biomass compared to multi species mixes, its efficiency in terms of cost and soil benefits make it a popular choice. Higher biomass from cover crop mixes is particularly beneficial for building soil carbon, with University of Nebraska's trials showing substantial carbon and nitrogen contributions from these mixes. The effectiveness of legumes in nitrogen fixation varies, with different species contributing varying amounts of nitrogen to the soil, dependent on growth conditions and termination timing. Lesowing's advice to farmers is to remain patient and committed, as the positive impacts of cover crops on soil health are cumulative, often becoming more evident after several years. This long-term perspective is crucial for realizing the full potential of cover crops in sustainable farming practices. To learn more, visit the link below to read the article, and we'll catch you on the next Dultmeier Short.